What is up, YouTube? Hope you're having a blessed Sunday. And today we're going to be using Ibotoolbox to promote lease ad space. And we're going to be talking about the affiliate tools inside of lease ad space. So, first things first, let's grab the free credits that you get every day from Ibotoolbox. And you're going to copy this code right here and click redeem. Okay, you want to click on that. You want to click on one of these links, like a little ad or whatever, and you can just click out of it. And you just earned 50 free credits, and that's every day. And we're going to use these credits to fund our advertising for today, our banners, if you will. Okay, so first off, what we're going to do, let's post like a simple little text ad. So we're gonna go to lease ad space, the members area, and click on affiliate tools, and we're gonna use some text ads. Just gonna use this one. We're gonna copy that, head to the dashboard, and I was gonna do this video live, but I have a slight cold, so I don't want to have me coughing and all this other stuff, so I can edit that part out. Alright, so here's the text. Let's drag this down. Alright, and then go back to the affiliate tools. We're gonna go to splash pages, and these splash pages are actually pretty good. We're gonna use one of the new ones. Let's click on that one. Everyone gets paid. That looks kind of plain. This looks pretty plain as well, but when you click on it, you click on the little face. It's going to take you to the members area, so people who's got recent activity as far as the referrals. And as you can see, my name is right here. On July 4th, I got a payment of $7. Someone purchased the apparel package under my affiliate link. And as you can see, I'm not the only one making money, making Bitcoin, getting Bitcoin payments. So we could use this splash page, but I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to copy that, paste that here. Boom. Cool. Here's what it looks like. Simple, no gimmicks. We provide the platform and deliver the traffic. You ramp the commissions. And there's the link. And this is the splash page. Boom. Lease ad space. Cool. Everybody needs traffic. Either which way, this right here is how you can tell who signed up under you in Ibotoolbox. Now let's go to my advertising. We're gonna let's convert some credits, and we're gonna be making a new banner ad. We're gonna select the amount of credits, 100. Let's convert. Proceed to the ads, and we're gonna create a new ad. And the size, let's go to affiliate tools, let's go to the banners. Let's see what size banners they have for us to choose from. So let's go on the toolbox. We're going to do the 25 by 25 or the 68 by 80. We could use that one. We're going to use the 25 by 25. So let's see which one looks most appealing. I like this one, so we're going to copy that link right there. We're going to do new banner. Doesn't matter, lease ad. Doesn't really matter what the name of it. Here's the link. We're going to let's get another splash page. And use the second one. Once again, I'm gonna paste that in there. All right, and let's see, I wanted it to be displayed on Ibotoolbox. Yes, everywhere possible. All right, I'm gonna save. All right, and that's how you would create a new ad within Ibotoolbox. Now let's go back to the affiliate tools, and I'm gonna change the link to my ad and feature ad pro. So I'm gonna go to advertising, go to manage my ads, and I'm gonna edit this ad just to change the link to a splash page. Yes, indeed. We're gonna hit submit. And we're gonna have to wait a little while so the ad can get accepted. But that's how much clicks and views I've gotten since yesterday's video. Let's go back to my dashboard. I'm at $6 now, and I have to click my 10 ads now. So that being said, I will now go click my 10 ads, and let's do the same thing with FutureNet. We're gonna just post our business on FutureNet. Let's go to the text ad. Let me see. You want the easy way or the hard way? Systems so simple, anyone do it. Check it. Seriously. Yeah. Use that link. Because everyone in the FutureNet has a business already, so it's best to promote a traffic source or tool that people in a business would need. Let's get that same splash page once again. And, I'm thinking I should add a picture in it, since they had some pretty good pictures. Perfect. Cool. And that's how you would use the simple affiliate tools that any online business, when you hop into an online business, they usually offer you affiliate tools just like this. They offer you splash pages, banners, email swipes, copies, and text ads. Okay, so all these things are provided for you in most cases. All you have to do is just plug it in to different platforms and free platforms, so you're not actually paying or going out of pocket as far as advertising, because this is the last year being broke plan, and we are always trying to market our business freely, meaning like on a budget, because we are on a budget. So with that being said, I have to click my 10 ads now. FutureNet acts kind of slow every now and then. Cool. Finally loaded up for me. Cool. All right. And the image is very big, so everybody can see it. Need traffic, lease ad space. Bam. Lease ad space. And you can even click to promote your link. Promote your post. And just like how you would on Facebook, FutureNet is simply just a social media platform that you can earn money by using it. So it's just simply a free platform that you can use and earn money at the same time. And it's free to use social media platform. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm about to click my 10 ads now. See you in the next video.